What's going on, everybody? Hopefully today I can teach you something new. So today I'm going to go over how to conquer your fears of going to the skate park and how to act properly at the skate park. I know that when you first start skateboarding, it can be very intimidating to go to the skate park because everybody there could be either more experienced than you or they understand what to do there more. So hopefully some things I teach you today will help you get over those fears of going to the skate park. Let's go. So when first entering the park, you want to kind of look around on the floor and look for debris from trees and such, depending on what kind of skate park you're in, if it's one like this. And also you want to roll around and see how on the back side of this ramp you can't see that there's stairs. So you want to roll around and see if there's stairs behind certain things because you don't want to go up and be surprised by some stairs instead of a ramp on the other side. So like I said before, you want to look around for little stuff like this little guy you don't want to get up underneath your wheels, or a big crack like this that you can get your wheels stuck in. And you definitely want to avoid big puddles around the skate park. So every skate park is going to have pretty much lanes, like on a road, like anything else. It would be like a straight line. And you don't want to cut across the lanes. And if you are, you want to be respectful and look both ways, just like crossing a normal road. So the next part, I'm going to talk about snaking or cutting people off. It might happen to you more when you're new, by a more experienced person that is annoyed by new people or whatever. It's gonna happen. To avoid snaking people or others at the skate park, there's usually like a turn system. Everybody takes turns, 1, 2, 3, 4, however it'll be, however many people are there. Everybody's usually very respectful in taking turns at the skate park. If you're new to the skate park and you are skilled enough to either board slide or 50-50 grind on a box or a rail, try to avoid waxing or over waxing anything because it is ill-advised and a lot of people don't like wax at the skate park. One nice thing you can do at the skate park is if you happen to be in the area of a loose board or a runaway skateboard, is you can stop it for them and either kick it back to them, or if you just pick it up yourself and just hand it back to them personally. People who skateboard are friendly people, but you never know, you could meet a bad group at a skate park of usually kids that are just mean. But skateboarding is amazing because you can have people that are friends of all different ages, whether it be 8 to 37 or 15, hanging out, and they could be from all walks of life or all races of any kind. And as long as you're skateboarding, everybody's friendly.